Good afternoon, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are looking at Volvo C70 2.5 petrol. It comes with the same engine as Ford Focus ST, and we are replacing the thermostat. So we have bought a thermostat housing, a thermostat also inside, and the location of thermostat is, you need to take out the battery, take out a cross bar, then you need to disconnect this pipe, disconnect it. After that you need to disconnect the ECU. So you disconnect the ECU, ensuring that you don't bend any of the pins. After that, ideally you need to take the inlet manifold off, but in this video we have decided not to take the inlet manifold. Rather, we have just pulled out this box to create space, and the thermostat is right down there. I don't know if you can see it. It's right down there where this pipe is connecting. That's the thermostat, and we can do it from here without taking anything else out. So the thermostat is down there, secured by screws. So the thermostat. So the thermostat is right down there. You can change it from this angle.